Okay, today we'll be talking about domain name and hosting. How domain name and hosting is important to the functioning of your website. So what is a domain name in the first place? A domain name is a unique identifier for a specific internet website. Like, we have so many domain names. For you to know this is a domain name, like facebook.com, twitter.com, those are domain names that you can easily remember. So facebook.com, twitter.com, like konga.com, jumia.com, those are domain names. Those are what they call domain names. So you need domain names to get a beautiful website running online. That is domain name. And the domain name are extensions. We have different extensions. Now we have .com extension, we have .com.ng extension, that is for Nigeria. We have .uk extension, that is for UK. So each of the countries has their own specific extension of domain name. And we have .com is the most common one that people easily remember. So I advise you always go for .com and depend on the projects you are working on, because if you are working on organization project, you are expected to use .org. Many web designers or many web developers doesn't know all this, the difference between these things. So even organization website like all these NGO websites, they still use .com, or educational websites for like schools, you are expected to use edu.com. Domain the name like example.edu or so school.edu, but people still use .com for it, and that is very wrong. So your domain name extension is supposed to identify the niche of your business. People supposed to know that, okay, this is what this business is all about. We have .net, we have .org, we have .ng, different extensions. But .com is the easy one. You can use .com for most of the things, most projects, because .com is very easy to remember. So everybody, in fact, some people believe that it's only .com that is existing because they don't know the other extension that are available. So today we get a domain name, how to add hosting to it on this lecture. So now you know what is domain name. And we have, this is a domain name extension, webersolution.com. As you can see, this is one of our websites where we grow social media followers instantly, like WhatsApp, like Instagram, Facebook likes, comment, Instagram likes, comment, YouTube subscribers. So you can go to this website if you need any of these services and click on this to get started. Yes, now back to this. Now that you know the domain name, how to get the domain name, now what is hosting? Domain hosting is a company that will make sure your domain name is running 24/7, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Each feature is very important to ensure your website can sell products and make money on the internet while you are sleeping. So if you have a website or any website at all, it is the hosting company that will provide the service of this website to be running on the internet smoothly without any interruption. This is the domain hosting company. So we have different type of hosting companies. We have Hostigator, we have Bluehost, we have Namecheap, we have Ugohost. If you are a Nigerian, that is Nigerian. We have different, even Nigeria has a lot of different hosting companies, but today we focus on just one, and which is this Namecheap. Everybody knows it's kind of affordable because their service is very okay, and they have been in existence for since 2000. So most people know Namecheap is reliable when it comes to domain name and hosting services. So I recommend Namecheap if you want to buy any domain name. And we also have our own domain name called Weblance Host, our hosting company, sorry. Weblance. Let's check it out. Weblance host. Okay, weblancehost.com. so this weblancehost.com is our domain name. Why this is the hosting company. This website is hosted on our own server here, so we don't use other people's server. We have our own server that we use to host websites. Just like this is hosted on our server, and it's very fast, very fast loading when you are seeing it. So imagine if you are in Nigeria, our hosting service starts from 450 naira only. 450 naira. You are getting 12 gig web space, 45 gig bandwidth, 3 add-on domains, 99 uptime with SLA. Very fast, 7 days money back. You see, trusted by over 1,500 plus clients. So people are using our web host. Yes, you can see we have regular for 4 days, 450 naira, 650 naira for standard, plus for 900 naira. That is if you are paying monthly. And if you go annually, see discounts 5,000, 7,000, 10,000 naira. No longer paying these ones. You get, so you can make use of our hosting platform. You can also contact us to get it host for you if you want to work on any project. So now let's go back to where we buy our domain name today. So in the course of this class, we're going to buy a domain name for you to see. So if you don't have account, just come to namecheats.com. No, okay, because I've already logged into this account, but in your own case you might not have the, so you need to register new account. And once you come to the website, this is the landing page, the home page you will see. So you can create account here. Click here. I have account, so I've logged in already, so you can see, go to this my profile and all of that. But in your own case, you just see register or sign up. So just click on sign up button and fill in your details. You will get your dashboard. So let's look for a domain name that is available. So let's say weblancesolutions.com. You can see this domain name will not be available because we've already gotten this domain name and we are using it already. So you will see that. Let's see, rolling. Okay, can you see taken? This one has been taken, so we can't get this one. This is our own domain name. But now let's add some trick like Weblance Solutions International. Let's do this and see whether if this will be available. Okay, as you can see now, this is available. It's available for $6.98 per year. So today let's go ahead and look for the domain name that we are buying today. This is a client. This domain name is for clients, so we are using this for today. So let's look for this. As you can see, it's available. It's available. So what you need to do is go ahead and add to cart. Once you add it to cart, you can go and check out, because we are not adding anything again. Then here you can see they are giving us free domain privacy. What does domain privacy mean? This is where somebody will look for your, go to whois.com and look for the name, the registrant, and they will not be able to see the main registrants from this one, because they have protection for you as a client. So your information here are secured. So today we are not adding hosting, so let's move forward. If you are, these are services that you can also add. So today let's just go straight to the billing and get this domain name. So I've already used my card before, so as you can see, this is my card. But if you don't have card here before, your own is to just click here, then add new card. You just click on the add new card. But me, I've already used my card to proceed domain here before, so I will just select my card, use my default card to continue. And you can also pay with PayPal here, and you can also fund your account here. So now, okay, will you use your previous entered setting to configure domain and select payment method? Yes, that is what they've done already, so there is no point of changing it, because every details here, these are my details I'm using for this domain name, so I'm not changing anything. But in your own case, if you don't like it, you can use any of your details to process this domain name. So I'll proceed to pay now. So you just click on pay now button, and you'll be redirected to where you will make payment. Your card will be charged in dollars, equivalent to dollars in naira. So if you have enough money in your bank account, then you will have a successful domain set up by Namecheap to you directly. So okay, we are delighted to choose Namecheap. Thank you for the moment to help you improve. Okay, we don't really need this. We are not rating them now. Let's complete our payment first. Okay, payment successful. Your order is placed on today's date is completed. Can you see our payment is completed? Use the order number in contact in case we have anything to, we'll just contact them. So this is my receipt, so let me just download my receipt that my payment has committed. And if I go to my email now, I will see that they've sent mail to my email that is connected to them. This receipt is already there already, so let's find out if truly I have this receipt there on my mail going. Okay, as you can see. So when you are just buying a new domain, they will send you these details to your email connected to their website. So you can see payment success payment. You can see now immediate verification required for your domain. This is easy. So now, as you register this month, agree to domain name agreement terms and conditions. Yes. So below is the domain name required verification in this times bracket taken. Thank you. So this is how you buy a domain name, and very simple. If you want to add hosting, you can just click on that same place, buying the hosting automatically comes with it. But if you buy with it, the hosting will be there. You just select on hosting. But on my own case, I'm not buying hosting because I want to host it on my own server. So now let's go ahead to host it, weblance.com. so weblancehost.com. This is where we will host this website. This is where we will host it now. Yes, this is where we are hosting. So we'll just click on yearly payment here, and then we buy our own hosting from here. Yes, can you see? So you make payment here. Once you make the payment, the price, we will get notification that you've already made payment for this hosting here. So we will attend to you immediately. Thank you for staying with us this time.